In the depths of the ancient bamboo forests, Ling, the formidable giant panda agent, was summoned once again for a new mission. This time, a mysterious artifact called the Whispering Amulet had surfaced, rumored to possess the ability to control the minds of those who possessed it. Ling knew she had to retrieve it before it fell into the wrong hands. Following a trail of cryptic clues, Ling's journey led her to the mystical temples of Shaolin. It was believed that the Whispering Amulet had been secreted away within these hallowed grounds, guarded by a formidable group of martial arts experts known as the Silent Shadows. To infiltrate the Silent Shadows, Ling honed her own martial arts skills to perfection. Disguised as a novice monk, she immersed herself in rigorous training, gaining the trust of her unwitting adversaries while searching for the whereabouts of the Whispering Amulet. As Ling gained insights into the secret workings of the Silent Shadows, she uncovered their plans to utilize the Whispering Amulet for their own sinister agenda. Time was of the essence, and Ling had to devise a plan to retrieve the artifact without alerting her foes. Under the cloak of darkness, Ling executed her plan, maneuvering through the intricate corridors of the temple, bypassing traps, and eluding vigilant guards. Her agility and mastery over stealth allowed her to inch closer to her objective. As Ling reached the inner sanctum, she found herself face to face with the Silent Shadows' leader, a formidable adversary who possessed incredible combat prowess. Their clash would determine the fate of the Whispering Amulet and the safety of countless lives. Through unwavering determination and honed skills, Ling emerged victorious, reclaiming the Whispering Amulet from her defeated foe. Aware of its dangerous power, she secured it safely within a high-security vault, ensuring it would never cause harm again. Ling's mission was a success, but she knew her duty as a guardian of peace was never-ending. As she disappeared into the bamboo forests once more, her presence remained as a whispered legend among agents, a silent protector of China, and a steadfast defender against the shadows that threatened its tranquility.